We have just taken the decision to implement success factors that we later named Wilbur. That's the name of our program deploying enabling technology for all our 50 locations within GKN Aerospace. And in our, I would say, early discussions with our implementation partner, we also focused in on how we're actually going to use this piece of technology and how are we going to embed it, how do we adopt to it, at the end consume it. That's where the Adopt platform came to play. Everything happened very fast when we started this implementation. So I would say with good collaboration with our implementation partner and together with AppLearn, we had a look at the product. It fits well with success factors. We liked the idea to be able to provide this training material in context when you're actually using the system. So we put in materials exactly when you are in the system using it, and we also put in videos to help. And this was especially important in the beginning, since this technology was new to all our employees, really. How we use the system, and it's really important that it's easy to use, you find help where you need it in the right context, and also the fact that we can take out data for actually how we are using our system is really important to drive further improvements in some areas that we are struggling with adoption and consumption. I think we actually saw results from day one. I mean, back in the old days, we had these self-help and training materials sometimes all over the place, and to make our employees in context find the materials easily within the success factors suite, and when they're actually performing their daily job was really important from day one, I think. So we put together a lot of materials, videos, used the split screen, and we also started to draw out data for how we're actually using the system from day one. So, and that has been a continuous journey for us for almost 3 years now, where we can see how often is the system used, do we have any particular areas that we are struggling with, and then we can go out and help the wider organization to use this. So I think to have this kind of data and to provide these materials in context is really important to the success of the program, and also a vital part of our change strategy and how we consume going forward. And we are still on this journey, both with success factors and the Adopt platform to do this as best way as possible, because it's no use of deploying technology if it's not being used. So it needs to be in that context, and it's so the Adopt platform has been since day one an important part of our change strategy, and also we can use the data to measure where we need to put in more training, improve our materials, and also help all our employees use it as efficient as possible.